आज नोवाकॉक 250 ml के ऊपर मैं कुछ ब्रीफ सा कहना चाहूँगा। शॉर्टली मैं ये कहूँ कि it is an injection of 250 ml and mainly used for animals and veterinary practices. The major composition of this is caffeine at the rate of 0.35 gram, sodium salicylate 0.35 gram, novamin sulfate 4 gram, nicotinamide 0.03 gram, calcium gluconate 10 gram, magnesium gluconate 1 gram, boric acid 1 gram, sorbite 20 gram, sodium alpha oxybenzyl phosphonic acid at the rate of 0.07 gram, and methyl para hydroxybenzoate at the rate of 0.07 gram, and similarly added water at the rate of 100 ml, and majorly it is used for as a supportive therapy. The major conditions in which we can use this Novacoc 250 ml is during stress and to prevent illness, and for cardiovascular support, and for electrolyte imbalance, and post operative care. The target species in which this preparation can be used as cattle, sheep and goat, and calves, horses, pigs, and poultry. These are the species in which we can use this preparation. As far as the combination is concerned, so the caffeine helps in increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. It also relaxes smooth muscles, which can help in reducing spasm and inflammation. Similarly, जो सोडियम सैलिसाइलेट है, इसको हम ये क्यों कम्बिनेशन के अंदर है, ये इसलिए कि सोडियम साइलिनेट हेल्प्स प्रिवेंट ब्लड क्लॉटिंग एंड प्रोमोट्स ब्लड फ्लो, and it also acts as anti-inflammatory, right? Similarly, जो another component है novamin sulfate 4 gram, that is provides essential amino acids supporting overall health and immune function, and another component is nicotinamide at the rate of 0.03 gram. So it is a form of vitamin B3 essential for energy metabolism and maintaining healthy skin. Similarly, for nerves and promoting digestive system. Another component is calcium gluconate, which helps maintaining calcium levels, crucial for bone health and muscle function, and also it is helpful in nerves transmission. Magnesium gluconate supports magnesium levels essential for muscles and nerve function as well as bone health. Boric acid present in this combination helps prevent infection and promotes wound healing. Similarly, sodium alpha oxybenzyl phosphonic acid, this ingredient helps protect cells from oxidative damage, and etc. बहुत अच्छी कम्बिनेशन है।